What's going on, everybody? This is Dr. Spectrum 9781 here, and you're probably watching this on Tuesday because this is going to be set to upload on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So, welcome. This is Dr. Spectrum 9781 here, bringing you another video, and this time we're going to be talking about The Lincoln Lawyer by Michael Connelly. Now, I have the Lincoln Lawyer movie back there with Matthew McConaughey and Ryan Phillippe and John Leguizamo. Very good movie. I appreciate the soundtrack in it. But what is The Lincoln Lawyer about exactly? Well, it's about a guy named Mickey Halder. He's a defense attorney who gets criminal clients, bikers, drug dealers, all the sorts, right? He can't miss the next break to make him money because he is a sleazy lawyer. Well, he gets a client named Louis Relay, played by Ryan Phillippe in the film, who is accused of sexual assault and attempted murder. So, Mickey, believing he has an innocent client on his hands, will do anything in his power to make sure his client gets off. But that doesn't turn out to be the case, as pure evil shows its true colors, and true innocence peeks its head out from the shadows. So, what do I like about this book? First thing I like: chapters. And not just that, they're short. It's 504 pages with really short chapters, 35 to be exact. Not 35, about 45, 46 chapters to be exact. And the way this story is written is from POV, first person perspective. You really get into the mindset of Mickey Halder and his fears, his fear of pure evil, his fear of not being able to spot innocence. His father always used to say to him, the scariest client is an innocent one. So, anyway, it's a slow start at first, but when you really get into the meat of it, you just can't stop reading. This is a very, very fast-paced book. It's a thriller. It keeps you on the edge of your seat, especially in the halfway point where the trial starts. That is really, really good shit. So, my favorite dynamic is with Mickey Halder and his first ex-wife. His first ex-wife and he have a very complicated relationship. First, she could be really hating him, and first, she could be sleeping with him. You never know. They have a 5-year-old daughter who has nightmares, and who he wants to be involved with, and he wants to be involved in his daughter's life. So he does that. He basically does that throughout the book, and the twist at the end, you won't see coming. I didn't see it coming either. So, if you've watched the movie, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, just read the book first and then watch the movie, because if you read the book and then watch the movie, you'll get a lot of the context around these scenes. Around the scenes. The movie only sticks to the very important scenes, and the book goes into a lot more detail about these important scenes from the first person perspective. So anyway, I will continue to make videos and set them to upload at a later time. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I know I've been keeping my reviews short, but I really don't want to, keep you guys bored. I really want to be fast-paced and not go into too much detail. I can't really think of any problems with the book, because I really didn't have any problems with the book. I thought it was really well written. Michael Connelly is right now my favorite author. even though I've only read 2 of his books, The Lincoln Lawyer and The Black Echo. I'm in the process of reading The Black Ice, which is the second Harry Bosch novel, but it's a very stellar read for me. It's written in chapters as well. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I will see you guys in the next video.